I backtested this indicator with insane results. Brace yourself for a rollercoaster ride of profits and possibilities. On this channel, we're not just trading, we're trading futures. Get on board and let's navigate the path to wealth together. First things first, fire up your TradingView and head over to the Indicators tab. We are on the lookout for two key indicators, Whole Trend Compare and Shadow Range Index. Here are the settings. First up, the Whole Trend Compare. This indicator gives us a clear visual of price trends and provides buy and sell signals when the price crosses over or under the whole moving average. Next, we have the Shadow Range Index. It's all about momentum, folks. Darker colors indicate stronger trends, while the signal line and triangles offer additional insights for entry and exit points. Now, let's talk strategy. For a buy entry, we're first looking for a buy signal and then wait for the signal line and histogram turn green. Once confirmed, enter the trade, set your stop loss at the recent swing low, and target a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And remember, the same applies for a sell entry. Alright, let's check out some results. We ran a quick backtest on the Euro versus USD pair using a 5-minute chart. And boy, oh boy, the numbers speak for themselves. Success is just a click away. Keep those wins coming by watching the next video for more profits. Hit subscribe now